everyone. My name is Natasha Wiley, and we are back with Bayete Lakai TV show. Welcome, welcome, bienvenue, bienvenue nous tous. Si toujours branché pour qu'à suivre l'émission ça, nous retourner encore dans l'air. Jeudi, we are in Dr. James Smith Center on Britton Boulevard. We're celebrating 19th Annual Caribbean Health Summit with Center for Multicultural Wellness Prevention, who presents this event every year. And we are now at our 19th year, 19th annual. And for those of you at home, you are welcome to come here. The event is free. The providers will service you for free. If you need dental screening, vision screening, all the health screening, diabetes, tension, all of that is for free today. And as you know, U.S. State Representative Ms. Anna S.Eskamani is the chair. Are you the chair? And she is here with us today. We are live. Hi, Ms. Anna. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Yes.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes. Yes. How do you feel today?
I feel amazing.
First year with us?
It is actually my first year being
in the committee?
Of
Okay.
the event,
Yes.
But I used to table here.
Okay.
And I used to work in nonprofits.
Yes.
So it's very full circle for me. To
Yes.
be someone who used to volunteer here, someone who gets to host.
Yes. Very, very nice. Welcome. And thank you for being part of this. Tell us a little bit about what you're doing now. What's going on
I would love to.
in your world?
There's so much going on, girl. There's
Yes.
so much going on. So I represent a legislative seat in the Florida House. So
Yes.
I represent District 47, which encompasses parts of Orlando, which is part of Isle and Edgewood. And so we do a lot of constituent services every single day.
Yes.
So helping folks with housing issues, helping small businesses, helping when it comes to school, making sure kids are safe. And so we do
Very
a lot
important.
of just, everyday advocacy for our community.
Yes.
And this is a part of it.
Yes. And how is that for you today, being the host for Caribbean Health Summit?
Oh, it's very humbling.
Yes.
It's very, very humbling. I'm a first generation immigrant myself, and so we know that in many of our communities of color, there are health disparities.
Yes.
And there's not always access to health care. Sometimes cost is an issue. There's language barriers. There can also be even just distrust towards different medical institutions.
Yes.
So helping to break down those barriers, to bring services directly to the community,
Yes.
is very, very powerful and important.
A lot of them scared to even come out to get the service.
100%.
Free services to them.
And we have to spread the word. We have to spread the word. We're here till 3 p.m.
Yes.
So 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Tell them in the camera.
Yes. And so 3 p.m. Come join us. We are here offering these free services. So it's just so important that
Yes.
people know. And you're not you don't delay coming to get
Yes.
care.
Yes. Probably no parking. No more parking outside, probably.
Yeah, that's true. It's been packed here. I
Yes.
actually parked across the street myself. So yeah, but
There
plenty of
is-
street parking.
yes.
And amazing people. And also it's ways to think about prevention, right?
Yes.
Because a lot of us don't go to the doctor or the hospital until we feel sick. And a part of the goal here is to think about prevention. So what can I do to make sure that I stay healthy? And only is it more cost effective to do that, but it saves lives.
Yes.
When you're on top of your needs, when you're doing your annual exams, or if you're looking for cancer screenings, diabetes screening, you're doing that proactively.
Yes. Yes. As you know, the theme for this year is Make Mental Wellness a Lifestyle.
Yes.
How are you with the crazy world? Politics.
Oh my God. That's such a great question. I mean, I am probably the biggest cheerleader for self-care, but the worst practitioner because my
We
schedule
all
is
are.
packed. Yeah, but we have to take a minute and realize that mental health
It's very
is
important.
so important, and it's something we need to talk about more. You know, we are seeing suicide rates increase. We are seeing folks who are really navigating depression right now and other
Yeah.
types of mental challenges. But the goal is to let folks know that you're not alone.
Yes.
And there are resources to support you, and that we need to talk about it.
What would you tell folks out there if they want how to make this part of their lifestyle?
I would say that we first have to break the stigma. It's okay not to be okay. So we need to be able to talk about it.
Yes.
And also ask your friends, ask your family, how are you?
Yes.
You don't just have it be an afterthought. Like
The wellness check, yes.
how is your heart? How is your mind? Right? And to be very intentional asking that question, and don't just toss it aside. Think about it.
Yes.
How am I feeling today?
Yes.
And then know that there are organizations like NAMI and Greater Orlando. There are so many resources to seek mental health support at no cost.
Yes.
Don't think that cost is a barrier.
Yeah. Especially with us in the Caribbean, people tend not to believe in having mental issues,
Right.
and it's every day.
It is.
It's you wake up this morning, your mental wellness, your mental being. It's so important before you even step out the door.
Yes, 100%.
Yes.
And I so appreciate you bringing up the point of just cultural relevancy,
Yes.
right? So that's why it's also really important to have advocates from the community champion these issues, right? Because you can't have people from the outside come in and say, you know, check mental health, right? It needs to come from the inside.
Yes.
And we are seeing more and more people of color not only be advocates in this arena, but also become doctors, become psychologists,
Yes.
become therapists, social workers.
Yes.
So I think that's also really exciting because representation matters.
Matters.
And the fact that when you're here today, you see so many organizations and volunteers that come from the community, who work with the community, who understand what the needs are because they've lived it. And that representation is also a
It's
game
very
changer in
important.
opening up access.
Very important. And I would like for our providers to please be culturally sensitive,
Yes.
because people, especially during COVID, and now we're after COVID, which is still impacting us.
Yes.
So please keep wearing your mask, keep using the methods out there by washing your hands and using hand sanitizer.
100%. And you have to be
Vaccinated.
I got the new vaccine.
Yes.
I got the COVID vaccine and the flu vaccine. I did both.
I didn't get the flu yet. I didn't get the flu yet.
I mean, whenever you can. I mean,
Yes.
It's just preventative.
Yes. A lot of people out there are asymptomatic, and they get sick and walking around infecting others.
So true.
And it's not their fault. But if you are vaccinated, you will be okay. So you will save someone.
100%.
As we say, shield your loved ones. Yes.
100%.
Yes. Any words of encouragement for us? Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me, and I would just say to remember you're not alone. You are not alone. That when you find yourself struggling to pay rent or with a healthcare crisis, call our office,
Yes.
call organizations that are out there. Never feel like there isn't some.
The resources are there.
Yeah.
You just have to know how to navigate them. And today is what we're doing, presenting you those providers who are servicing your area.